Here we have another example of what I teach in the Thursday webinars and call a crossover trade. Basically, we're watching this moving average to help me determine what I'm going to do when I get to the predictive times. Wrong button. EMA. There we go. And so when the EMA is down, I'm looking for shorts. So I would be looking to sell at 753, looking to sell at 840, looking to sell at 850. But now I have this buying window between 919 and 941. Let's go ahead and mark that. You can see that time is coming up on the right-hand side of the chart. And right here, I'll expand the chart out a little bit. It closes above the moving average. And for me, that's a trigger. This tells me it's time to go. So the signal that was below the trend line is now above the trend line. And again, it's not a magical trend line. You can use what you want. And some people use a 20. Some people use a 200. You might use a VWAP. You might use a Bollinger Band or a Keltner channel. It doesn't matter. What matters is I knew to look for buying between 919 and now this signal at 941. So if I'm measuring my risk reward, my stop goes below the candle that closed above the moving average. I've hit 200% of my RR value. And so I can try to get out at exactly 200%, or I can sort of hold on to this, realizing they should be pushing higher until 941. And this is just an easier way to trade, I find, where you know the time's coming up on the right-hand side of the chart. The times are only there because there's a behavior pattern that is recurring over and over and over again. Not 100% of the time, but not zero either. And so every time you see a signal on the right-hand side of this chart, whether it's the 1-minute chart, the hourly, the daily, or even the weekly, we're identifying something that happens enough times that we should be aware in case they try to sneak it past us one more time. And as I come into 941 now, I can basically say to the market, I don't want to wait anymore. I'm expecting sellers to come out of the woodwork, and I close the position. So these are the kinds of trades that we want to show you in the live demonstration when you're looking at that opportunity and saying, why would I sit there and want to talk to somebody and watch their screens? Because you're going to see down moves at 839 and 859. You're going to see up moves at 851 and 919 and 953. You're going to see down moves at 941 or sideways profit-taking moves. This is what's happening